Imagine this. 6 months from today, you wake up and you barely recognize your life. The anxiety that used to control your mornings, gone. The scattered mind, the procrastination, the feeling that you're stuck in the same loop, completely transformed. You're calmer, stronger, focused. You're finally living with purpose. Sounds impossible. The Buddha proved it's not. He went from a sheltered prince to an enlightened being who changed the world. And he taught that real transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens through consistent, mindful effort. Today I'm giving you a 6-month Buddha transformation challenge that will completely rewire your mind, your habits, and your destiny. If you stay with me until the end, you'll have the exact blueprint to begin this journey right now. Are you ready? Let's begin. My friend, let's be honest for a moment. Right now, many of you are living on autopilot. You wake up, scroll, work, eat, scroll some more, sleep, and repeat. You feel this quiet dissatisfaction, like something is missing. You know you're capable of so much more, but you keep putting it off. The Buddha called this dukkha, the suffering that comes from clinging and ignorance. But here's the beautiful truth he taught. Everything changes. Your pain is not permanent. Your current situation is not your final destination. Impermanence is your greatest ally. 6 months from now, the person you are today can be a distant memory if you choose to walk the path with awareness. This isn't just motivation. This is a challenge, a sacred commitment to yourself. For the next 6 months, you will practice the Buddha's wisdom daily. Not perfectly. The Buddha never asked for perfection. He asked for right effort. Your complete 6-month Buddha challenge, I've broken it into 3 powerful phases, 2 months each, so you can see real progress and stay motivated. Months 1 to 2, foundation of awareness, the inner cleanse. The Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Your first 2 months are about training the mind. Daily practices. Wake up 30 minutes earlier and sit in meditation for 10 to 20 minutes. Start with breath awareness. Just watch your breath. When the mind wanders, gently bring it back. This is building the muscle of mindfulness. Practice 1 act of kindness every single day, no matter how small. Smile at a stranger, help someone, speak gently. Digital detox for 1 hour before bed. Replace scrolling with reading or reflecting on Buddha's teachings. Journal every night. What did I learn today? Where did I react instead of respond? You will feel resistance. That's normal. The Buddha taught that the mind is like a wild monkey. But with patience, even the wildest mind can find peace. By the end of month 2, you will notice something magical. You react less. You feel more present. Your inner noise begins to quiet down. Months 3 to 4, right action discipline, building inner strength. Now we move from awareness to action. The Buddha's Noble Eightfold Path teaches right action, right speech, and right livelihood. Your focus in these months. Set 1 big goal that truly matters to you. Fitness, career, relationships, learning a skill, and break it into small daily steps. Practice detachment from outcomes. Do your best, then let go. This removes anxiety. Speak with intention. Before you speak, ask, is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? Build physical discipline. Walk mindfully every day. Eat with gratitude. Move your body. I want you to imagine telling your future self in month 4, I kept my promises to myself. How would that feel? This is where transformation accelerates. You start seeing results. People notice the change in your energy. Opportunities start flowing toward you. Months 5, 6, wisdom service, living your highest self. The final phase is where you become a light for others. The Buddha didn't meditate just for himself. He shared his wisdom with the world. Practices. Deepen your meditation to 30+ minutes daily. Explore loving kindness, metta, meditation, wish well-being to yourself, loved ones, difficult people, and all beings. Teach or share what you've learned. Make a video, write a post, help a friend, spread the peace you've cultivated. Practice gratitude every morning and evening. The Buddha taught appreciation as a path to joy. Reflect weekly. How have I grown? What old patterns have I released? By the end of month 6, you won't just be different, you will be unrecognizable in the best way, calmer, wiser, more compassionate, and unstoppable. Let's talk about the hard part, because real talk makes this real. You will have days when you want to quit, when meditation feels boring, when old habits scream at you to return. The Buddha faced Mara, the demon of temptation, under the Bodhi tree. He didn't fight with force. He stayed grounded and said, "I see you." When you feel like quitting, say to yourself, "This too shall pass." Remember the story of the Buddha and the angry man. The man insulted him, but the Buddha remained peaceful. He asked, "If someone offers you a gift and you don't accept it, to whom does the gift belong?" The angry man said, "To the giver." The Buddha replied, "Then I do not accept your anger." You have the same power. You don't have to accept negativity, laziness, or self-doubt. Let them pass through you like clouds. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Join an accountability community or comment below, "I'm in," so we support each other. Close your eyes with me for a moment. 6 months from now, you walk into a room and people feel your calm presence. You handle challenges with grace instead of panic. Your body feels strong and energized. Your mind is clear. You know your purpose. You've let go of toxic relationships, habits, and thoughts that were holding you back. You wake up excited, not exhausted. You sleep peacefully, not restless. This is not fantasy. This is what consistent practice of Buddha's teachings creates. Thousands of people throughout history have transformed this way. Why not you? So here's your challenge. Start today, not tomorrow, not Monday, right now. Take a screenshot of this video. Write in the comments, "I accept the 6-month Buddha challenge," and tell me which phase you're starting with. Share this video with one person who needs this message. Remember the Buddha's words, "No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path." You have everything you need inside you already. 6 months from now, your life will be transformed. The only question is, will you begin? If this message touched you, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be with you on this journey with more Buddha wisdom every week. You've got this. The path is waiting. Start now. I'll see you in 6 months. Completely transformed. Namaste.